Apple's long-rumored foldable iPhone is starting to take shape as a potential game-changer in the smartphone world. Unlike the current iPhone lineup, this device is expected to combine Apple's hallmark premium build quality, smooth iOS experience, and top-tier performance with the versatility of a foldable form factor. Rumors suggest it could feature a flexible OLED display that unfolds into a larger tablet-like screen while maintaining a compact form when closed, allowing for both portability and immersive multitasking. Internally, it's likely to be powered by Apple's next-generation A18 or A19 chip, offering blistering performance for gaming, productivity, and creative work. Apple is also expected to prioritize durability, hinge engineering, and software optimization, ensuring that iOS adapts seamlessly to both folded and unfolded modes. Cameras and battery life are projected to be competitive with current iPhone flagships, potentially including advanced photography features and efficient power management. If Apple executes this correctly, the foldable iPhone could not only introduce a new form factor to the iPhone ecosystem, but also redefine user expectations for premium smartphones in 2026 and beyond.